Engine room. Yes, dito kami naka-assign sa makina kung saan makikita ang mga makinarya sa barko. Dito ginagawa yung mga maintenance namin. Wala kaming pinagkaiba sa mga mekaniko ng sasakyan. Pinalaki lang ang aming mga makinarya. Dito sa engine room. Hasta steering gear room, chemical room, pump mooring winch, emergency fire pump, hyper mist, CO2 room, economizer, workshop, fuel purifier, foam tank, freshwater heater caliper, fuel tanks, freshwater expansion tank, thermal oil circulating pump, zone pump, main generators, thermal oil boiler, oily water separator, fuel pumps, MGO cooler, sewage treatment plant, main air compressor, emergency compressor, main air bottle, freshwater generator, freshwater jacket heater, main in jacket cooling, main engine low boil cooler, low boil purifier, hydrofor tank, ballast water management system, bilge pump, sludge transfer pump, reduction gear, shaft generator, controllable pitch propeller, marine growth preventive system, fire and GS ballast pump, DO transfer pump, main engine seawater cooling pump. Ang pinakaastig sa lahat ay ang main engine na tinatawag nilang the heart of the ship. Napagod ako doon ah. See you my next vlog.